Hi buddies, welcome back. It's Anne-Sophie and today I'm gonna show you what you can do if your Huawei Mate X3 doesn't charge anymore. So you have a cable, you try to plug it in and it doesn't charge. First thing you can do is you can try another device with the same cable. If it still doesn't work, it might be your cable that's broken, and then also check with another cable and then hopefully the device is charging again. Second thing you can do is to restart your phone, and for that you need to press the power on button. Then this pops up, and to disable this you need to go to settings and turn that off, then go back and try again. And now we get this menu, restart or power off. You want to say restart, and then your phone is restarting. Next thing you can do is to look for a software update. Update. There's a bug that stops your phone from charging, I don't know. To check that, we'll go to settings, go down to system and updates, system update, and now it's checking for an update. Our software is up to date. If you have an update available, go ahead and install that, and maybe, hopefully, your problem is fixed with that. Next thing you can do is a forced reboot. For that, you need to press the power on and off and the volume down button at the same time. So we'll do that. You need to turn the phone sideways a bit. And first I will make a screenshot, but we will ignore that and keep pressing the buttons. And now it's off and it will restart. So wait a second. And now we're back. Need to unlock our SIM card first and then unlock our phone. And now we're back in the phone. Hopefully after one of these tips, your phone will charge again. Otherwise, you might have a hardware problem and you should go get that fixed. So that's what you can do and check when your phone doesn't charge anymore. Hope you liked it. Hope it helped. If so, thumbs up, share and subscribe, and I hope to see you next time. Bye.